What's up, Edmonton? It's Ryan here with Hauer Power Electrical. We got another edition about panels here today, and we got Leviton's best of the best here. We got Cooper to tell you all about these Leviton panels. If you see our last video, you've seen why the federal panels, why you don't want those in your house. Big fire hazard, breakers don't trip when they should, and that's the only job a breaker has. So, without further ado, here's Cooper. He'll tell you about himself, and we can go from there.
Hey everybody, Cooper here with Leviton. I'm a Red Seal journeyman electrician now who works for one of the manufacturers that produces the panels that you are going to find in your house. If you guys are looking to do a panel upgrade for many reasons, it could be you're looking to do a renovation, you're looking to add an EV charger or a hot tub, you're looking to have better product or more spaces as you do an upgrade. When you replace that panel, you're going to want to do it with the Leviton Load Center. Yeah. The reason being is the Leviton Load Center not only has a much better aesthetic, so now when you do renovate these areas to give yourself more space in your basement, if it's a rental suite or if it's in a hallway, you're going to want something that looks a lot better than probably what you're used to seeing.
This is the new panel. This is the old panel you might have in your house. If you have a panel in your house that looks like this one, give us a call and we can make it look like this pretty unit. So the Leviton panels, from my knowledge, and correct me if I'm wrong, they're one of the newer panels to the market, is that right?
That's correct. Yeah, and with the new panel comes the new technology. So our panels in themselves have the highest bus rating. So if you're looking to do a solar install, now you're going to have the ability to put more solar panels, giving you a higher return on investment and hopefully lower energy bills. If you want some of these newer products like hot tubs or EV chargers, that's going to allow an easier install for them as well. Because not only can this satisfy your current input for amperage, but you can also do a simple service upgrade, now giving you more power for more of those devices.
That's pretty good stuff. Now this one specifically doesn't have smart breakers in it.
Correct.
Tell us about the smart breaker feature, because this stuff blew my mind learning about it the first time.
It's really, really exciting, and it's something that the others do not offer, and it's something that's going to be valuable to you and the ones in your house when you're at home and also when you're away. What a smart breaker allows you to do is see how much power each circuit is using, as well as give you notifications and alerts if things aren't working as they should. Now, the best way to explain is through some installations. So the installation might be a hot tub. So now you can see if I run my hot tub at 20 degrees through all the summer, what does that really cost me per day, per week, per minute, per month? Is it $5 a day or is it $20 a day? Now you're going to have the ability to see those changes and maybe tune your high amperage loads accordingly. Because if you're anything like myself, you get your energy bill at the end of the month, you look at it, you pay it, you put it down. The next month, if it's double, you don't really know why.
Yeah.
With a Leviton smart breaker, you can see, running my boiler or having my EV vehicle plugged in every night actually costs me this much money. There's no guesswork at all.
I love that you talk about the hot tubs part, because that's one part that I was really interested on. One of the big reasons why we want to make the switch to Leviton panels. With these hot tub smart breakers, it can notify you if you've lost power to your hot tub. So if it's minus 20, minus 25 outside, it can send you a notification that, hey, this hasn't drawn power for 4 hours, when it definitely should have. And then that way it'll tell you if maybe your spa pack breaker has failed, or maybe the dog has chewed through a power cable, or maybe something on the tub has failed. Because a lot of the hot tub manufacturers, a lot of the big ones, they have Wi-Fi set up through certain Wi-Fi software IP apps in their tubs, but it won't tell you if it's lost power. It'll give you the last update that it would have received, but it won't tell you if it's lost power. So if you have one of those smart breakers to protect your hot tub, which might have cost you 15 grand, 20 grand, that's a game changer.
Big time.
Yeah, tell me more about that, the notifications. How does that work?
Sure, yeah. So with a smart breaker, not only do you get the sub metering, but you get alerts and notifications. With a history on it. So to Ryan's point, I had a coworker and he has a place in Windermere and they had a hot tub there. That hot tub breaker tripped and it froze. It froze to a $15,000 ice cube, completely gone. So when he went out there to go use this, he realized it was busted, it was cracked, it was completely ruined. If he had had a smart breaker and he had set a notification to say, if this breaker overloads, trips, for any reason loses power, or is working outside of its normal, notify me. And how do you get notified? You get text, push notifications, or emails. You can get it to multiple addresses, multiple phone numbers, multiple users. So now everybody within your household can see, pick up the phone, make the changes before you have a massive insurance claim or a huge loss on a new piece of equipment.
Yeah, that's massive. I mean, even if that cost you an extra $1,000, like I
the
gotta put that in
insurance
mind.
there, yeah, the insurance there is unbeatable.
That's phenomenal.
Now, a lot of people have a mother and a father who both work. It's kind of the way of the world now. To have a critical look inside your house at how your sump pump is running, if it's been running for 4 hours and you're at work, or if your furnace trips, or if your hot water tank has been running and running and running, or your EV charger is not charging. These are things that would be great to know at all times of the day and night. And these are what the notifications can allow you to do. And it's done through the My Leviton app, which is an app that doesn't carry any cost and is incredibly easy to use and create these alerts and notifications. You can rest easy knowing when you take that trip to Mexico or you go to the lake for the weekend that you don't have to have somebody checking up because your panel is doing the checking up for you.
That's beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful. At the end of the day too, if you want to have one of these beautiful panels in your house because you want to get rid of the safety hazard, give us a call. We can give you a quote, get you hooked up, Hauer Power Electrical, and we can put in one of these beautiful panels or a different panel if you'd like. Cost comparison is pretty equal between Siemens, between Eaton, between Leviton, but at the end of the day, if you can have the smart features, don't know why you wouldn't want to have those available to you. So give us a call at Hauer Power Electrical. We are your Edmonton electrician. Power and customer service, that's what we do. 780-935-0622. Call us today. We can put one of these beautiful, beautiful panels in your house. Thanks, Cooper, for coming with us today.
Of course.
And until next time, stay safe out there.